Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, for new e-commerce accounts, do you recommend starting with the Performance Max campaigns? I noticed that it's getting similar results to standard shopping, but much more impressions. The issue is that sometimes it won't spend the whole budget, and then I guess it's kind of restrict the standard shopping from spending as well. The status says bid strategy misconfigured, and it's asking me to upload a remarketing list. Not sure if that is an issue. Should I turn off to build more data with standard shopping, or maybe just raise the budget on the Performance Max? So here is bid strategy misconfigured. Yeah, right. I can see it over here as well. So I noticed that it's getting similar results to standard shopping, but much more impressions. Okay, what is your priority right now? Do you want to get more impressions for your e-commerce store, or do you want to get sales? Personally, Performance Max is a very good, new invention by Google. But I think that to run a Performance Max campaigns, ideally, if you ask me, my preference is that I would run on campaigns which have already got some data, but not that is always true. I have seen some scenarios where the people created a new Performance Max campaign, or we created for our clients, and started getting results. But ideally, in majority cases, it's a 80-20. 80% of the time it doesn't work well at the start, but later on it works well. So my recommendation is to start with the standard shopping campaign. Once you see conversions, what you see what is working well for you, then you can move on to the Performance Max campaign. Okay, there is also something you need to understand, that with the Performance Max you are running on multiple advertising channels, and that is not always the case to generate more sales. Yeah, it's better to achieve more advertising channels, and reaching more over there is always a good idea, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you may get more sales. And you may have to figure out your goals as well. What is your goal? Because sometimes if it's a large based e-commerce store, their goal is to build branding as well. For that, Performance Max is a very good idea. But because in case if it's a budget oriented, and you are very tight on budget, and you want to just sales leads, and you have a high, very tight, and you cannot take much more risk, and you have a very limited amount of money to test on, then the standard shopping campaign is a very good strategy to run on. But in case if you have huge budgets to run out, or in case if you have good budgets to run out and starting you want to do testing, there is no harm in doing Performance Max campaign as well. And remarketing list is a good add-on. You can do it, and that will also help you in targeting those people who have already visited your website, and they may know about you. So I hope this answers your question. In case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or Bing Ads services, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description to reach to me and my team, and we can create an amazing campaign for you. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and uh, share this video, plus subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.